Hello guys, good morning. Okay, in today's class, I want to teach you how to create a YouTube account and a YouTube channel. So, guys, please listen carefully. First thing first, you go to your your Play Store or your Apple Store. Then you click on it. After you click on it, then you go for search. Go for search below here. Search down here. Go for search. You click search. Then you type in here this area, you type in YouTube. So you type YouTube. So after typing in YouTube, you click on the search bar below here down side, you will see it. So you click on search. Now after you click on search, you will see YouTube. Once you see YouTube, my own, I've already downloaded, that is why they said open. So now in your own case, you will see install. So you click install, it will download. Once it's installed, you go back to your main interface of your phone screen. Then you click YouTube. You click YouTube. Sorry guys. You click YouTube. You click YouTube. Click YouTube. So now, once you click YouTube, if you don't have email in your phone, you kindly register an email. Then your email will automatically connect to your Play Store. If there is no email, there will be no Play Store. So at least before you download the app, already you have an email. So now the email will automatically connect it to your YouTube account, to your YouTube app. If the email did not automatically connect it to your YouTube account, they will tell you to connect it, or they will tell you to click then you click and select the email that you want, and it will automatically connect. So every phone normally come with YouTube app, you get. So now from there, already you have already have an YouTube email, which means that is already linked to your account. The next thing that you will do now is for you to click on you click on sorry guys, you click on you click on you below this icon, you below here. So once you click on you, let me click it. So now you can clearly see that Clemgy channel, you understand, but there's other ways to do it. So let me change this my email to another email so that I can start the procedure, so that you will see it very well. So let me go back, then let me click here, then let me go to setting. I'm coming. Okay, let me switch account. So now okay, let me use this one. Okay, so now in your own case, once you created the your YouTube account, you will see something like this. So once you see something like this, what you need to do is for you to click here. Once you click here, click that U icon as I mentioned earlier. You click create a channel. You click create a channel. You click create a channel. So now you create a channel. So as you can see now, you can see now, you see the name, change your channel photo or take a new photo. So now I can easily click it and go to gallery, the image that I want to use in creating this channel. You get the image that I want to use in creating this channel. So let me pick any of this my okay, let me click on this icon. As you can see, this is a Michael Oroko. Then I use it as my channel picture. Then the name of the channel, So let me say change it to inspirational. Inspirational. Now this inspirational. Then I click save. I click save. Now you can see that the channel name have changed. So the next thing that I want to do now, I'll click on create channel. So now I'll click create channel. Okay, this channel name is already used for YouTube channel. So I will change the name. Please listen. Then I will change the name to Inspirational Heroes. Heroes. You understand now? Now I will click save. Then the next thing that I will do now, then I will come to this point and click on create channel. Then I click on it. Now the channel is created. Channel is created. So now what I will do now, I will click on my channel. So now the next thing that I will do now, I will click on view channel. As you can see, my name is still there, but the channel name have changed. So let me click on it. Please, somebody is calling me, disturbing me. So now as you can see, this is the channel, and the channel name have changed. The channel name have changed. So please, just look at it. This is how your own tool will be. The next thing now is for you to manage video. So you click on manage video. Then you begin create your video. Now if you want to create a video, you click on this create icon. Or if you already have the video already in your gallery, you just come down to this plus icon and click this plus. Then you look for the video. You understand? So you look for the video. Now let me go back. Now as you can see, now there's nothing I've shown in my YouTube account. So if I begin type a particular video that I want to watch, let me say yes. Let me just watch this video. As you can see now, videos have started coming. You see them now. This is not my video. These are other people's videos that have already in YouTube. Yeah, because for the sake of this video, I've already created a new YouTube channel as a tutorial, as a guide for you guys to watch and understand, so that you can be able to create your own YouTube channel. You understand now? So now let's go back. Let's go back. Now, as you can see, there's nothing here. Nothing here. Now, if you want things to be showing on your YouTube page, or you need more things to be showing, the moment more video you watch, you will see this thing. You now see the videos that you want to watch, or any video that is in your mind for you to watch. You can come to this chest point. Let me go back. You can come to this chest point, this chest area, and type it. You type the video, then you watch. Let me see Coco Melly. Then it will come up. Then I watch. That is for the sake of watching other people's videos. Now, as you can see, this video already have 78 million views. You understand? So please, as you watch and you create your own video, kindly like and subscribe to my own YouTube channel, so that this video will grow to YouTube algorithm will push this video to other people that don't know how to create, and your sharing and subscribing will help my channel to grow. Thank you.